gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, from one of the most prestigious designers, it's time to embrace your inevitable Moschino side with the Moschino Embossed logo sandals. Especially when you see in such an elegant embossed logo detail as on these sandals. As walking on them, in them, Monday through Sunday won't be a problem for you or your bottoms. You know, not that bottom, but those bottoms. Become a Moschino woman, man, or child like I have by joining the great fashion house and fashion brand, as it does an exquisite job representing for high fashion and truly stands out from the other luxurious brands with its cutting edge motifs and style that's hard not to take notice. The logo loving brand likes to make itself known as well as seen. Way more than I do. Way more than I do. Just ask supermodels Gigi and Bella Hadid, singers Katy Perry and Madonna, rapper Cardi B, and our late but great royal princess Diana of Wales, who have all served as the face of Moschino. Made in Italy with a composition of 100% leather lining, 100% outer calf leather, and calf leather flat sole. The Moschino is a black goat skin logo mule. See the Moschino logo. Logo mule sandal showcasing an embossed Moschino logo front, crossover strap detail, buckle fastening, and gold tone hardware. Show you the hardware. In such high demand that by the time of purchase of these little babies on August 5th, they sold out everywhere with no details of an ETA on restocking. However, the high heel version of this sandal is still available if preferring a higher heeled alternative to the flat sandal. Here in black genuine leather in a size 39, which translates to an 8.5 in a U.S. woman's size, from the website farfetch.com for $248, excluding shipping and handling. The Moschino logo sandals fit true to size with some room to breathe, with the use of the crossover straps for adjusting fit. I think there are about, let me double check. There are 5 holes on the strap for you adjust the fit, featuring a slip-on style, the 0.6-inch heel with branded insole and flat leather sole make them ideal for casual wear when paired with a Moschino hooded sweatshirt dress, or that of an evening wear when paired with a nice pair of dressy slacks. The Moschino Embossed logo mule sandals are truly versatile yet stylish for everyday wear. If wanting everyday luxury footwear, then this is the shoe. So, subscribe to my channel and get more. Here's a look at this sandal mule in action. So, are they Shoeperfly or not? If you noticed, I didn't mention that before cutting to video, and here's why. Have a little bit of drama. So, back in 2019, Moschino was accused of using racial code words with African American Moschino customers and clients. In her December 4th, 2019 lawsuit, Shamil, last name spelled Latallade, Latallade? I don't want to crucify her last name. Anyway, Shamil filed a 36-page complaint against her assistant manager, Rana Selbek. Shamil filed a 36-page complaint against her assistant manager at the West Hollywood store for discriminating against African American customers who did not appear to be rich or famous, using the word Serena, like the tennis phenom Serena Williams, to refer to those shoppers, as well as asking store staff to follow these shoppers, these Serenas, around the store. In this context, African American shoppers sometimes displayed hundreds of dollars to store personnel to have to prove they could actually afford to shop at Moschino. Shamil additionally alleged that she was wrongfully terminated from the company that spring, also accusing store personnel of subjecting her to, quote, ongoing and atrocious harassment and discrimination based on her status as a Black Haitian American woman, end quote. Moschino denied the allegation, releasing a statement that, quote, it complies with applicable equal employment laws and values and respects all customers and clients regardless of their race or background, end quote. Yet, Moschino settled out of court with Shamil, with the terms of the settlement being confidential, so I couldn't bring you all the juice. So where does that leave the Moschino Embossed logo sandal mule in all this, you may ask? Well, as an Afro-Cuban American woman myself, I am mortified by such retail racism, whether African American, Afro-Cuban, Haitian American, whatever the case may be. So I have definitely canceled the West Hollywood Moschino store in LA. Cancel. But I cannot condemn the ignorance of one as the ignorance of all others until proven to exist on a larger scale. And while the retail racism might extend past that one particular store, I am not aware of that being the case. So I'll take it one store at a time, or with Jeremy Scott himself, whenever necessary. So I'm certifying the Moschino Embossed logo mule Shoeperfly a do-buy. Just don't purchase anything from the West Hollywood store in denouncement of racial bias of shoppers of color in retail establishments. Now that may be my position and where I stand. I completely understand if you disagree. Please let me know in the comments below what's your position on this, as I would love to hear it. As always, I appreciate you sharing your time with me in all things Shoeperfly, from the shoes, reviews, and even some bad news. Subscribe to my channel and tap that bell so you can get a notification each and every time I post. See you next time.